Hey friends, in this one, we are continuing the things from the LDR question. So basically, what's the scenario hereby is tomorrow is my paper and I need to read the entire thing in a very effective manner so that मुझे कल retain रह पाए at least for at least 48 hours I can say or 24 hours more than 24 hours मेरा एग्जाम जो है वो दिन वाले सेशन में है that is in the afternoon session. तो यहाँ तक 94 तक तो I guess we have already done in the earlier video. Now we should start. I'm beginning the things from 93. In case of material subsidiary, what is the requirement for the appointment of independent director? हम क्या बोलते हैं in case of what? In case of material subsidiary. Material subsidiary वाले cases में what is the requirement for the appointment of independent director? That is at least one director, one independent director shall be appointed. That is what? That is one independent director shall be appointed. Can the charitable trust contribute rupees 4,80,000 if it exceed 5% of average profit? अगर क्या कोई चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट जो है वो 4,80,000 कर सकता है कि कंट्रीब्यूट अगर वो 5% ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट से ज्यादा है तो यस वो कर सकता है बाय पासिंग दिस स्पेशल रेजोल्यूशन बाय पासिंग व्हाट बाय पासिंग दिस स्पेशल रेजोल्यूशन उसके बाद एज पर सेक्शन 197 सबसेक्शन 3 is the sum payable to director exclusive or inclusive of sitting fee, so that the same is exclusive of sitting fee but according to schedule 5. Can MD claim compensation if they refuse to join the amalgamated company? No, can't claim compensation. The answer is no, can't claim compensation. Whether write off debt and non payment of dividend is operation of member? No, it is not the operation of member. Is director or employee liable to provide information during investigation even if they left before? Yes, they are liable to provide information. क्या director और employee liable है to provide information during investigation even they अगर वो पहले ही छोड़ चुके तो भी तो yes they are liable to provide the information. उसके बाद आता है हमारा the next come is an employee is posting on social media about the profit of the company but in reality company is under losses. Liable under which act? किस एक्ट में liable होंगे? It will be liable under section 447. एक्चुअल में कंपनी लॉस में और वो बता रहा है प्रॉफिट में, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. लाइबल अंडर सेक्शन 447. वेदर अ फॉरेन सब्सिडरी ऑफ अ कंपनी इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इन इंडिया इज रेजिडेंट इन इंडिया और आउटसाइड इंडिया, दैट द सेम विल बी रेजिडेंट इन इंडिया. वेदर अ फॉरेन सब्सिडरी ऑफ अ कंपनी जो कि इनकॉर्पोरेट हुई है इन इंडिया में, क्या वो रेजिडेंट होगी इन इंडिया और आउटसाइड इंडिया? द आंसर विल बी रेजिडेंट इन इंडिया. कैन डोरमेंट कंपनी हैव ऑडिटर? इफ यस, इफ yes is rotation applicable? क्या डोरमेंट कंपनी के ऑडिटर होते हैं? कैन हैव ऑडिटर्स? एंड इफ yes is rotation applicable होगा क्या? तो yes, audited within 30 days, within 30 days from the end of financial year. And rotation जो है that the same will be not applicable. Representation of notice of striking off of name by company to ROC within how many days? ROC आंख बंद करके 30 days ही लिखेंगे हम, तो within 30 days. उसके बाद CS from winding up. Example, how much amount can be realized from the following past members to pay dues at the time of winding up of a company as on 1st April 2023? A past member shall not be liable to contribute if he has ceased to a member for 1 year or upwards before commencement of winding up. ये जो वाइंडिंग अप वाला जो केस है, हम जो लिक्विडेशन पढ़ते थे सी इंटरमीडिएट लेवल पे, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, अगर वो 1 साल से ज्यादा अगर उसने जो है अपना वो सारा स्टेक जो है ले लिया हो और 1 साल से ज्यादा उसका हो गया, तो फिर वो उस केस में वो लाइबल नहीं होता था. तो इसमें भी ऐसा ही लिखा है ऑलमोस्ट, इसमें भी ऑलमोस्ट वैसा ही लिखा है कि जो पास मेंबर है नॉट बी लाइबल टू कंट्रीब्यूट इफ ही हैज ceased to be the member for 1 year or upwards or before the commencement of the winding year. से 1 साल और उससे ज्यादा हो गया है तो वो लाइबल नहीं है. नो कंट्रीब्यूशन शैल बी रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम एनी पास्ट और प्रेजेंट मेंबर एक्सीडिंग द अमाउंट, बस जितना पेड अप है. इफ एनी अनपेड ऑन द शेयर्स इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ व्हिच ही इज लायबल ऑफ सब, मतलब जितनी लायबिलिटी उतना ही मंगा सकते, उससे ज्यादा नहीं मंगा सकते. उसके बाद अ पर्सन रेजिडेंट इन इंडिया अर्न इन अ फॉरेन एज अ सैलरी 2 years बैक, नाउ ही वांट्स टू यूटिलाइज दिस अमाउंट इन इंडिया, इज एनी परमिशन रिक्वायर्ड? कोई परमिशन की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर पर्सन रेजिडेंट इन इंडिया है, अर्न कर रहा है इन फॉरेन एज अ सैलरी 2 years बैक, नाउ ही वांट टू यूटिलाइज दिस अमाउंट इन इंडिया, इज एनी परमिशन बैक? मतलब पहले कोई फॉरेन सैलरी होगी उसकी, अब वो यूटिलाइज कर रहा है तो क्या परमिशन की जरूरत है? कोई परमिशन की जरूरत नहीं है। कैन आईआरपी मेंटेन बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स ऑफ कंपनी? क्या आईआरपी मेंटेन करता है बुक्स ऑफ इंसॉल्वेंट जो रिजोल्यूशन प्रोफेशनल होता है, जो कि मेंटेन करता है, क्या जो कि मेंटेन करता है द बैंक अकाउंट ऑफ अ पर्सन? कैन आईआरपी मेंटेन बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स ऑफ कंपनी? द आंसर इज यस। उसके बाद फर्दर आता है, इज इन्वेस्टिगेशन अंडर सेक्शन 210 इज मैंडेटरी? क्या जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन है अंडर 210 वो मैंडेटरी है? नो। until receive from tribunal court, ये है the answer is no, until जब तक ये receive नहीं हो जाता है from tribunal court. Who have the power to investigate? किसके पास power होती है to investigate under section 210? that is the central government के पास. What is the legal status of ROC to file for winding up of a company? that is 30 days. Is RB has to make valuation as per contract? No, RB shall make valuation as per valuation standard. The appointment of managing director who is ineligible to appoint is operation or mismanagement? The answer is mismanagement. The appointment of managing director who is ineligible to appoint, जो अपॉइंटमेंट हुआ मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर जो कि एलिजिबल है टू अपॉइंट इज ऑपरेशन और मिसमैनेजमेंट? आंसर इज मिसमैनेजमेंट. वेदर माइनॉरिटी डायरेक्टर कैन क्लेम ऑपरेशन बाय मेजोरिटी डायरेक्टर? क्या माइनॉरिटी डायरेक्टर क्लेम कर सकते हैं ऑपरेशन बाय मेजोरिटी डायरेक्टर? द आंसर इज नो, ओनली मेंबर कैन. T Limited is a listed entity and wholly owned subsidiary of A Limited. So whether the independent director to be appointed or not? Yes, independent director is appointed as it is the listed company also. उसके बाद आ रहा है हमारा द नेक्स्ट कम दैट इज द केस स्टडी. That is Global Tech Incorporation, a US-based technology company that seeks to merge with the Innovate Solution Private Limited and Indian software development firm. Both companies see strategic benefit in this merger, such as expanded market reach and enhanced technological capability. However, during an internal board meeting at Innovate Solution, the CEO, Mr. Rajesh Mehta, contended that the manager cannot proceed even with the approval of the central government. Answer to missing इसका. उसके बाद इज द CEO's contention that Indian company cannot merge, नहीं हो सकती with a foreign company even with the approval of central government? तो the correct answer is no. The CEO is incorrect because cross border mergers are allowed. Cross border mergers जो होते हैं उन्हें allow किया जाता है with the approval of both the Reserve Bank as well as the central government के साथ. No, जो CEO है is incorrect क्योंकि cross border merger को allow किया जाता है with the approval of both the Reserve Bank of India and the central government. Who must approve a cross border merger involving an India and a foreign company? Both the RBI and the central government. उसके बाद how many security deposit of candidature is required for proposal to appoint himself as a director? 1 lakh and prior 14 days notice. That is what? That is how much security deposit of candidature is required for proposal to appoint himself as a director? 1 lakh and the prior 14 days notice. Fail to send the board meeting notice penalty. Penalty, an officer whose duty to send the notice, that is rupees 25,000. हम क्या बोलते हैं? Fail to send the fail to send the board meeting notice penalty. Penalty, an officer whose duty to send the notice, that is the rupees 25,000. उसके बाद company law. Whether the same independent director can be appointed for listed entity and its wholly owned subsidiary? Yes, no, there will be no restriction. Whether the क्या same independent director appoint हो सकता है for the listed entity and its wholly owned subsidiary? The answer is yes, कोई restriction नहीं है ऐसा. Independent director appointed from independent director, हम क्या बोलते हैं? Independent director जिसे appoint किया from bank, from data bank maintained by the central government. Such appointment needs to be approved at board meeting as well as general meeting or only general meeting. The answer is only general meeting. The correct answer is only general meeting. Independent director को appoint किया है from bank data which is maintained by the central government. Such appointment need to be approved at a board meeting as well as the general meeting or only general meeting. The correct answer is general meeting. Reappointment of independent director for third term as it has served one first term of 3 years and second term of 4 years, whether allowed? क्या allowed हो जाएगा? The answer is no, it will not be allowed. Reappointment of, हम क्या बोलते हैं? If there is a reappointment of independent director for third term as it served the first term of 3 years and second term of 4 years, whether allowed? No, the answer is no. नो एनसीएलटी हैज पावर टू वाइंड अप. देयर इज नो एनसीएलटी जो कि उसकी जिसके पास पावर हो टू वाइंड अप. यस, एनसीएलटी के पास ऑथोरिटी है टू वाइंड अप अ कंपनी. यस, एनसीएलटी हैज ऑथोरिटी टू वाइंड अप अ कंपनी. मिस्टर एक्स इज द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ XYZ कंपनी. He mismanaged the affairs of the company and हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? He was removed from the company. The central government has power to allow him To work in any of the company including the XYZ company, to work in any company इसका आंसर नहीं है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. कैन अ लिस्टेड कंपनी मर्ज हो सकती है विद फॉरेन एलएलपी के साथ? क्या एक लिस्टेड कंपनी जो है वो मर्ज हो सकती है फॉरेन एलएलपी के साथ? द करेक्ट आंसर इज यस, विदाउट एनी स्पेशल परमिशन. कैन अ लिस्टेड कंपनी मर्ज हो सकती है विद फॉरेन एलएलपी के साथ? द आंसर इज यस, विदाउट एनी स्पेशल प्रोविजन. ड्राफ्ट मिनट विल बी सर्कुलेटेड विद इन द 15 days टू ऑल द डायरेक्टर. जो ड्राफ्ट मिनट्स होते हैं दैट विल बी सर्कुलेट होंगे विद इन 15 days ऑफ ऑल डायरेक्टर्स. In which situation our managing director or whole-time director are not eligible to be appointed by the company? There will be what? There will be detained for any period under conservation of foreign exchange and prevention. हम क्या बोलते हैं that in which situation our managing director, whole-time director not eligible to be appointed by the company? Detain हो सकता है for any period under conservation of foreign exchange and prevention. ROC has sent a notice and no information is received or inadequate information is received or information is received is unsatisfactory, then may call the company for another notice in writing. हम क्या बोलते हैं कि ROC has sent a notice. ROC ने क्या किया? That the same has sent a notice and no information is received or inadequate information is received or information is received is unsatisfactory, then may call the company for another notice in writing. उसके बाद What is the effective capital? Effective capital is 120 करोड़, that is 120 करोड़. कैसे आया? जैसे कि XYZ लिमिटेड, उसके पास ऑथराइज कैपिटल कितनी है? 40 करोड़. पेड अप 40, डिबेंचर रिडम्पशन रिजर्व 40, रिवैल्यूएशन रिजर्व 20, पी एंड एल अकाउंट दिस. तो इसमें हमने क्या किया होगा? डीआरआर को तो नहीं लिया होगा, 40 एंड 40 80 100 और पी एंड एल अगर सबको ले लिया. तो इफेक्टिव कैपिटल बता रहा है 120 लाख. 120 करोड़ का अगर हम 1% करेंगे तो इट विल बी अराउंड 120 लाख. करेक्ट. 2 जीरो हटा देंगे ऑटोमेटिकली 1%, तो कितना हो जाएगा? 120 में से 2 जीरो हट जाएंगे तो वो करोड़ से लैक्स में आ जाएगा, तो 120 लाख 1% हो गया. बट इफेक्टिव कैपिटल कैसा है? इफेक्टिव कैपिटल में हम सारे को ऐड करते हैं, प्रॉफिट प्रॉफिट, तो इन सबको ऐड ही किया है. उसके बाद आता है हमारा एक अनलिस्टेड पब्लिक कंपनी है जिसका टर्नओवर है 420 करोड़, जिसके 7 डायरेक्टर है इंक्लूडिंग सतीश चेयरपर्सन हु इज इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर एंड मीना वुमेन डायरेक्टर. यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है कि टर्नओवर है 420 करोड़, 7 डायरेक्टर है इंक्लूडिंग द सतीश चेयरपर्सन हु इज द इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर एंड मीना जो एक वुमेन डायरेक्टर है. हाउ मेनी एडिशनल इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर नीड टू बी अपॉइंटेड टू फुलफिल द रेगुलेटरी रिक्वायरमेंट? कितने और अपॉइंट किए जा सकते हैं? 2 इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर एंड नो अदर वुमेन डायरेक्टर एज ऑलरेडी 1 इंडिपेंडेंट. हम यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं कि 2 डायरेक्टर और अपॉइंट किए जा सकते हैं और वुमेन डायरेक्टर को अपॉइंट करने की जरूरत नहीं क्योंकि ऑलरेडी एक है. पब्लिक कंपनी में क्या लिमिट होती है? पब्लिक कंपनी में टोटल 10 होते हैं. टोटल 7 डायरेक्टर है इंक्लूडिंग सतीश हु इज इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर एंड वीना वुमेन डायरेक्टर. If all the directors are members of the audit committee including Satish chairperson and Veena women, how many other independent directors need to be appointed to fulfill the regulatory requirement? There will be 3. For the quarter ended 30th June 2023, ABC Limited need to file its compliance report. The management is determining whether an audited or unaudited report is allowed and by what deadline. That will be 15th August 2023. Unaudited report is also allowed. As WL Limited held a board of directors BOD meeting to fix the remuneration. There are 7 directors. 2 participated personally and 3 participated via the video conferencing. At 2 p.m., 2 directors left the meeting, leaving 1 via video conferencing. What is the implication for the validity of board of director meeting? Not valid. The quorum required was not met after the directors left. Not valid नहीं क्योंकि quorum requirement was not met after the director left. क्योंकि throw out होने चाहिए ना. Video conferencing at 2 p.m. 2 director left the meeting, leaving 1 via video conferencing. What is the implication? Leave कर दिया तो ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. Not valid. ABC Limited has a following shareholder: central government 24%, state government 25%, government company 22%. No, because the combined government shareholding does not exceed नहीं कर सकती है 50% से. ABC Limited has a subsidiary whose income is 12%, net worth is 18% of concern. Mr. Abhay, an independent director of ABC Limited, is a director of the subsidiary. Is this in the accordance with the corporate governance requirement? No. Other appointment required as already one independent director is on the board of the subsidiary. ABC Limited, a company facing the financial difficulty, has a diverse group of shareholders. One of these shareholders, Mr. Sharma, hold the partly paid shares in the company. Mr. Sharma has been the shareholder over a year and is concerned about the company's ongoing viability. He is contemplating filing a petition for the winding up of ABC Limited. The legal team at ABC Limited is reviewing the eligibility criteria for shareholder to file such a petition, especially focusing on whether the holders of partly paid up shares have the right to initiate the winding up proceeding. They are particularly considering the duration of shareholding and the पेमेंट जो स्टेटस होगा ऑफ दी शेयर्स एंड द पेमेंट स्टेटस जो होगा ऑफ दी शेयर्स कैन अ पर्सन होल्डिंग पार्टली पेड शेयर्स फाइल फॉर द वाइंडिंग अप ऑफ एबीसी लिमिटेड yes a holding for 12 months. Will the objection raised by the shareholder and creditor sustain under section 230 and 231? Objection raised by shareholder and creditor will sustain under section 230 of the Companies Act 2013, provided that they meet the threshold at least 10% of the shareholder and 5% of the total outstanding debt. Whether company can take copies in case of book seize? Yes, it is allowed to take copies of documents seized. Inspector can enter and seize books and paper after obtaining the permission of special court. इंस्पेक्टर कैन एंटर कर सकता है, सीज कर सकता है बुक्स एंड पेपर्स आफ्टर ऑब्टेनिंग द परमिशन ऑफ स्पेशल कोर्ट. Where all the directors of a company resign from their office, then the central government shall appoint the required number of directors who shall hold the office till the directors are appointed by the company in general meeting. जो इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर होता है, डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, फर्स्ट बीओटी मीटिंग ऑफ एवरी ईयर, एनी चेंज इन सर्कमस्टेंसेस. कैन द इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर हैव स्टॉक ऑप्शन? नो. If a person fails to appoint a director or alternate director, can he appoint additional director? No. Then आ जाता है हमारा सेबी, एलओडीआर और इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग. तो दिस टॉपिक इज independently very important, I must say, because as per the suggestion and review of the student, these are very very important. These questions are also very very important. And another things, because they have given examination and they are saying that almost around 30 marks questions directly इस पीडीएफ से आ रहे हैं, रिपीटेड हो रहे हैं. एंड सेबी और ये जो अदर लॉ वाला एक्ट जो पार्ट है वो वैसे भी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. So without wasting our time, let's directly jump to this question and retain as we can. सेबी एक्ट एलओडीआर इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग. सेबी एक्ट एलओडीआर इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग क्या बोल रहा है फर्दर हमें? व्हाट डज दिस सेबी एक्ट एलओडीआर इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग? सेबी की जो ड्यू डेट है फॉर सबमिटिंग द कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस रिपोर्ट, दैट इज 21 days. सेबी ड्यू डेट फॉर सबमिटिंग कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस रिपोर्ट, SEBI due date for submitting corporate governance report, that is the 21 days. Intimation to SEBI before days of BOD meeting in case of alteration of shareholding right, that is the 11 days. So SEBI due date for submitting the corporate governance report, that is 21 days. Intimation to SEBI before 11 days of BOD meeting in case of alteration of shareholding rights. So alteration or shareholding rights, that is 11 days. Filing of investor grievances within the 21 days. Prior intimation of board meeting for buyback. Prior intimation देना पड़ेगा for board meeting for buyback, तो 2 days. There will be 2 days. Before how many days one has to intimate to RSC about convening board meeting if the purpose of board meeting is to alter the rate of interest of security. That is ऑल्ट्रेशन के बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं तो 11 days आ रहा है हर बार. और बायबैक के बारे में बात की तो 2 days, और बाकी नॉर्मल केस में 21 days आ रहा है. आगे देखते हैं. उसके बाद बिफोर हाउ मेनी डेज वन हैज टू इंटीमेट ऑल्ट्रेशन के लिए 11 days. Chairperson of SEBI can be removed by whom and for how much time prior notice is required? How much time prior notice is required? That will be the chairperson of SEBI can remove by whom and how much time prior notice देना पड़ेगा. CG can remove at any time by giving 3-month notice or salary. 3-month notice or salary. Period of custody of books of account in case of investigation will be 6 months. SEBI need to obtain confirmation of an attachment from the special court within the specified period of 90 days. Confirmation of attachment of bank account or property taken from special court. Validity of appointment of chairman and members will be 5 years maximum at the age of 65 years. Composition of audit committee in LODR will be minimum 3 members, at least 2/3 independent and all financial literate होना चाहिए और उसमें से एक expert होना चाहिए. Composition of audit committee in LODR कैसे बनेगी? audit committee in LODR minimum 3 होने चाहिए, at least 2/3 independent होने चाहिए, all सब financial literate होने चाहिए और उसमें से एक expert होना चाहिए. In case of changes to annual report, time limit to report to stock change will be 48 hours of AGM. Penalty on stock broker for excess charge will be minimum 1 lakh to maximum 5 times of excess brokerage charge. हाउ देयर विल बी द पेनल्टी, कितनी होगी पेनल्टी टू स्टॉक ब्रोकर फॉर एक्सेस, दैट इज मिनिमम 1 लाख, मैक्सिमम 5 times of excess brokerage charge. Penalty on stock broker for non delivery non payment will be minimum 1 lakh and 1 lakh day up to maximum 1 crore. SEBI insider trading penalty will be minimum 10 lakh to maximum higher of 25 crore or the 3 times of the profit made. सेबी इंसाइडर ट्रेडिंग की पेनल्टी है मिनिमम 10 लाख है, मैक्सिमम 25 करोड़ है और 3 times द प्रॉफिट मेड. पेनल्टी फॉर अनफेयर ट्रेड प्रैक्टिसेस, सेबी की एलओडीआर वाली, सेबी की इंसाइडर ट्रेडिंग की पेनल्टी है मिनिमम 10 लाख, मैक्सिमम 25 करोड़ और 3 times द प्रॉफिट मेड. व्हाट विल बी द सेबी इंसाइडर ट्रेडिंग पेनल्टी, मिनिमम 10 लाख, मैक्सिमम 25 करोड़ और 3 times द प्रॉफिट मेड. Penalty for unfair trade practices is minimum 5 lakh, maximum higher of 25 crore or 3 times the profit made. A person is found guilty of insider trading. What actions can SEBI can take against this? वो impose कर सकती penalty, debar from holding, directorship, dictatorship position, intimate कर सकती prosecution and all of the above. The answer will be the all of the above. Number of independent directors required on board of listed if chairperson is non-executive director who is related to promoter. Related है तो it will be 1/2 हो जाएगा. अगर non-executive और वो नहीं होता तो I think 1/3 होगा. What does related to promoter means in case of listed company? Director not independently employed nominee. LODR minimum number of BOD in case of top 2000 listed companies के केस में कितने चाहिए होंगे? 6 डायरेक्टर चाहिए. उसके बाद लुकिंग फॉर प्रमोटर कंट्रीब्यूशन पोस्ट आईपीओ, दैट इज 20% ऑफ द पोस्ट कैपिटल एंड फॉर 3 years. लॉक इन फॉर प्रमोटर होल्डिंग इन एक्सेस ऑफ मिनिमम प्रमोटर कंट्रीब्यूशन विल बी 1 year. Minimum and maximum number of days for which the IPO to be kept open, that will be 3 to 10 working days. Penalty for failure to address grievances will be minimum 1 lakh and 1 lakh day up to maximum 1 crore. Insider trading disclosure are to be maintained by company for minimum how many years? That will be 5 years. उसके बाद आता है सेबी एक्ट एलओडीआर इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग. लीड मैनेजर टू सबमिट पोस्ट इशू रिपोर्ट्स एज गिवन इन विच पार्ट एंड विच शेड्यूल along with the DD certificate in which format and within how many days of allotment. That will be report part A of schedule. This is the 17 DD certificate form F and is within the 7 days. When issuer shall arrange for CRA to monitor the uses of issue proceeds, that will be issue size will be greater than so crore. Grievances redressal company filed with RSC a statement giving off number of investor complaint remaining unresolved at the end of the quarter. Is it right? Yes. But company should give such a detail at each stage of the quarter, like pending at the beginning, receive and dispose, and during the quarter and pending at the end. Case study आती है, CA है, who is an auditor है of DEF Limited car, learns of significant unpublished price sensitive information about the company. He passes this information to his friend before it is made public. Determine if the action constitute insider trading and state the penalty as per the SEBI Prohibition of Insider Trading Regulation 2015. Yes, this action constitute the insider trading. Penalty hogi will be rupees 10 lakh up to higher of 25 crore or 3 times the profit made. For a company to be eligible to make the initial public offering, what should be the minimum net tangible asset? It will be 3 crore in each of the 3 preceding years. Case study क्या है? ABC Limited is planning to make a public issue and is considering the offering shares to anchor investor as per the SEBI regulation. What should be the price offered to each anchor? The price offered to anchor investor should be the same as offered to public. Maximum X, Mr. X is a director in several companies and is also the member of various committee in these companies. He is currently a member of 12 committee across the different companies. As per the SEBI regulation, what is the maximum number of committee a director can part of? That will be the 10 committee. SEBI has ordered the attachment of bank account of XYZ Limited due to non-compliance with regulatory requirement. Under which circumstances can SEBI attach the bank accounts of a company? That will be failure to pay the fines. PQR Limited, a listed company, is preparing its quarterly compliance report for submission to SEBI. By what date must the quarterly compliance report be submitted to SEBI? That will be within 15 days of the quarter end. By what date must the quarterly compliance report be submitted to stock exchange? It will be within 45 days of the quarter end. Penalty of section 15EB where investment research analysts fail to comply regulation, that will be minimum 1 lakh and 1 lakh per day up to maximum rupees 1 crore. Is a legal representative of deceased person liable as a head to provide for penalty under section 15H and insider trading? Legal representative shall only liable to pay when a penalty has been imposed before the death of an accused person. How to appoint a recovery officer to recover claim? Officer of board empowered through order. Then SEBI Act LODR insider trading again. Deceased person transferred the FD to his son, car to son's wife and property to sister. What all can utilize to pay penalty? Recovery can be made from minor child, son's wife, son's child, spouse, other than for adequate consideration, major child is not included. Minimum application value under the SEBI ICDR regulation will be not less than 25% of the issue price. XYZ Limited, a publicly listed company, is planning a new share issue to raise the capital for its upcoming project. The company initially set the issue price based on the market condition and regulatory guidelines. However, due to recent market volatility, XYZ Limited is considering adjusting the issue price to make the shares more attractive to potential investors. The company wants to understand the regulatory requirement and constraint on adjusting the issue price after it has been initially set. The management is particularly concerned with the time frame within such these adjustments can be made, especially in terms of upward and downward adjustment. What are the regulatory guidelines regarding the adjustment of the issue price after it has been initially set? The company can adjust कर सकती है the issue price both upward and downward within 3 days. जो company है that the same can adjust कर सकती है the issue price both upward and downward within how many days? Within the 3 days. Then आता है हमारा FCRA, that is the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Whether educational contribution from foreign university to consider as foreign contribution. अगर educational contribution मिला है from foreign university to considered as foreign contribution, the answer is yes. Charitable trust apply for registration. Certificate of registration issue on 15/9/2023. Is it a sent via post? Trust receive on 17/9/2023. This register certificate is valid up to 14/9/2028. यानी कि 5 years उसकी validity होती है from the date of issue. उसके बाद cooling period in case of surrender cancellation of certificate of this will be the what will be the cooling period in case of surrender and cancellation of certificate of registration will be 3 years. FC from relative more than 10 lakh in financial then inform to CG in which form, that will be FC1 and within 3 months. Certificate of registration जो है वो valid होता है for 5 years. Scholarship received from foreign university is exempt. Scholarship received from foreign university is exempt. सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन वैलिड होता है अप टू 5 इयर्स. ये पर्टिकुलरली किसी के एग्जाम्स में आया हुआ है ये क्वेश्चन. इट इज वैलिडिटी होती है अप टू 5 इयर्स. इन केस ऑफ इमरजेंसी मेडिकल एड ऑफ मोर देन 1 लाख देन इंटीमेट टू सीजी विद इन 1 मंथ में हम इंटीमेट कर सकते हैं. एफसीआर अकाउंट ओपन होता है इन विच बैंक फॉर रिसीविंग द एफसी, दैट विल बी द एसबीआई न्यू दिल्ली. पीरियड ऑफ सस्पेंशन ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन है 180 डेज प्लस 180 डेज का एक्सटेंशन है. पर्सन एग्री फॉर कन्फिस्केशन ऑफ एफसी में अपील टू हाई कोर्ट विद इन 60 डेज. फीस ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग रिवीजन ऑफ ऑर्डर ओनली ऑनलाइन मोड हो सकता है, दैट विल बी 3000 रुपीज. Case study: Why India sold goods to X Singapore, X came to India, X bought a ring in India for rupees 90,000, Y called X for dinner, and X gave that ring to Y make the payment, Y for the goods, and Y gave a check to X for the travel cost. X took the ring to market for its valuation and it was 1,10,000. X wife is using that ring. Question first is ring given by X to Y is a foreign contribution. Yes, it is as per the market value. अगर इसकी 1 लाख से ज्यादा है तो फिर वो आ जाएगा. And did the valuation same day. Money paid by X to Y as a foreign contribution. No, as a payment in the normal course for the goods and service. Is the check given by Y foreign hospitality? No, foreign hospitality is in cash and kind taken outside India. Section 4 is a scholarship provided by foreign university to PRI comes under FC. The answer is yes. क्या स्कॉलरशिप जो प्रोवाइड की जाती है बाय फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी टू द पर्सन रेजिडेंट इंडिया कम्स अंडर फॉरेन कंट्रीब्यूशन के स्कॉलरशिप प्रोवाइड की जा रही है बाय फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा to PRI person resident India comes under the foreign contribution. The answer is yes. Section 14A, if FCRA registration is surrendered, it is deemed to have expired effective date of surrender on the date of acceptance by the central government. उसके बाद आता है हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कम्स दैट इज द Section 14A, cooling period for fresh registration once existing registration is surrendered, that will be 3 years. Section 14A, if FCRA registration is surrendered, it is deemed to have expired. Effective date of surrender will be date on acceptance by CG. Section 15, upon surrender cancellation, whether banking authority can utilize dispose the asset of FC? The answer is yes. Bank shall report receipt of foreign contribution to whom to within how many years? That will be central government, not RBI, within 48 hours. CG by CG, not 48, not RBI, within 48 hours. उसके बाद बैंक रिपोर्ट टू सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट फॉर ट्रांजैक्शन रिलेटिंग टू रिसिप्ट एंड यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ एफसी. A person received 25 lakh FC in FCRA account in Delhi SBI and then transferred 10 lakh to his known FCRA account for utilization. He also received 5 lakh FC in his known FERA account with Canara Bank. Which of these three transactions are violate the FCRA account? Can receive FC only in FCRA account. So 25 lakh valid but 5 lakh violates Act 1 can transfer money to known FCRA account for utilization. So 10 lakh valid. Can receive foreign contribution only in the FCRA account. So 25 lakh जो है वो वैलिड है बट 5 लाख जो है वो violate कर रहा है एक्ट एंड वन कैन ट्रांसफर मनी टू नॉन FCRA account for utilization. So 10 lakh valid, 5 lakh non valid. Mr. X received the foreign contribution in personal capacity and use it for gold deposit scheme. Can he use? The answer is no. Can religious trust receive donation from foreign source without FCRA account? Can religious trust receive कर सकता है donation from foreign source? No. Trust receive funds from foreign source into their FCRA account only. सिर्फ FCRA account में ही receive कर सकता है. Related to case study, what should a bank's authority do on the direction of central government in case of Best Trust and Great Trust? In case of Best Trust, dispose of the asset created out of FC. For Great Trust, utilize the FC. Then comes the FEMA. फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मैनेजमेंट एक्ट क्या बोलता है? अप्रूवल फ्रॉम मिनिस्ट्री रेगुलेशन इन केस ऑफ रेमिटेंस ऑफ प्राइज मनी स्पॉन्सरशिप. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ यूथ अफेयर्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स. हम क्या बोलते हैं? हाउ देयर विल बी द अप्रूवल फ्रॉम विच मिनिस्ट्री दिस इन केस ऑफ रेमिटेंस ऑफ प्राइज मनी एंड स्पॉन्सरशिप. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ यूथ अफेयर्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स. P&I club threshold limit exceeded. Permission from which authority? Ministry of Finance Insurance Division. Container detention charges exceeded. Permission from which authority? Ministry of Surface Transport, Director General of Shipping. Time taken by the adjudicating authority to dispose complaint from the date of receipt within 1 year. ODI to be made before which channel, bank and financial institution. Limit for LRS or CAT that will be $250,000. Time limit for returning unused forex to government that will be up to $2,000. No time limit about $2,180 days. Domestic company purchase करी commercial or residential building required permission of whom? That will be RBI. Commission to agent outstanding India for sale of residential plot in India that will be 5% or $25,000. ABC Limited is planning to pay a commission to an agent abroad for facilitating an export transaction. What is the maximum commission ABC Limited can pay if the inward remittance is USD 10 lakh? That will be USD 50,000. Whether an Indian company can purchase कर सकती है क्या residential property abroad and whether the Indian company can purchase office abroad. If yes, then with or without the permission of yes, without the permission of RBI. Whether the foreign citizen and Indian citizen can purchase a residential house in abroad without the permission of RBI, both are known resident. The answer is yes. ABC Limited has earned a commission from the sale of real estate property to foreign entity. Is the commission earned from the sale of the real estate to a foreign entity subject to FEMA regulation? The answer is yes. A person resident outside India wishes to invest in real estate in India. What are the limits and prior approval required as per FEMA regulation? Prior approval from the Reserve Bank of India, that will be the RBI. Can PRI invest in foreign company whose business is real estate of construction and leasing residential complex that is prohibited? It require the prior permission of RBI. Can PRI invest कर सकता है in a foreign company whose business is real of construction and leasing residential complex that is prohibited? Require prior permission of RBI. फिर ईसीबी आता है. फिर मैप ऑफ ईसीबी रेज बाय मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी फॉर वर्किंग कैपिटल पर्पस ऑफ USD 55 million नॉर्मली 3 years. उसके बाद मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी लेस देन द $50 million 1 year टेकन फॉर WC पर्पस 10 years. This will be 10 years. Eligible amount of ECB loan that will be $750 million. Whether rupee ECB used for repayment of loan taken in India permitted but refinancing जो है that is not allowed. उसके बाद whether ECB permitted for buying land or engaging in real estate activity in India is permitted. What is the minimum average maturity period? क्या होगा? तो ECB is not permitted for buying land or real estate activity. हम क्या बोलते हैं? ECB जो है the same is not permitted for buying land or real estate activity. MAMP for ECB raised up to 300 crore for the purchase of plant and machinery that will be 7 years. What exchange rate to be used to convert the FCB ECB into the rupees ECB at a rate prevailing on date of agreement for such a change, or a rate less or not more than that prevailing rate if agreed by the lender. यानी कि उस रेट पे हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, उस रेट पे at a rate जो कि prevailing हो रही हो on date of agreement for such a change, or a rate which is less but not more than that prevailing rate if agreed by the lender. उसके बाद sponsorship of sports activity limit and approval क्या होगी, it will be $1 lakh. And Human Resource Department, Department of Youth Affairs and Sports. Whether the Foreign Office controlled by PRI is a PRI, and PRI or Mr. Harsh residing in India established ABC Limited and later opened a branch in Australia named the Australia for warehousing purpose controlled by him. What is the residential status of Australia? That will be the PRI. Person resident in India. हम क्या बोलते हैं, whether the Foreign Office control किया जा रहा है person resident in India के द्वारा, वो PRI होगा या PRI होगा. एक फॉरेन ऑफिस है जो कि कंट्रोल हो रहा है बाय द पर्सन रेजिडेंट इन इंडिया से. फॉरेन ऑफिस जो है, फॉरेन ऑफिस है, कंट्रोल हो रहा है पीआर पर्सन रेजिडेंट इन इंडिया के द्वारा, तो इट विल बी पीआरआई. मिस्टर हर्ष रिसाइड कर रहे हैं इंडिया में, एस्टेब्लिश एबीसी लिमिटेड एंड लेटर ओपन अ ब्रांच इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जाके ब्रांच खोल रहा है फॉर वेयर हाउसिंग पर्पस कंट्रोल बाय हिम. व्हाट इज द रेजिडेंशियल स्टेटस ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया का क्या होगा, इट विल बी पीआरआई. व्हाइल इंपोर्टिंग एनी प्रोडक्ट, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम टाइम लिमिट फॉर मेकिंग पेमेंट विदाउट इंटरेस्ट, विल बी 3 years तक आप पेमेंट कर दो. A person has come to India for a job. As per FEMA regulation, what is the maximum amount he can export without permission? That is rupees 2,50,000 वो कर सकता है. XYZ Limited has contravened the foreign exchange limit by making a payment of USD 3 lakh without proper authorization under FEMA. What is the penalty for contravention of foreign exchange limit under FEMA? Penalty up to 3 times the sum involved in contravention, where such amount is up to rupees 2 lakh, and penalty will be 2 lakh. Mr. X sent through authorized dealer $2,80,000 to his daughter for study. College fee है $1 lakh. Without the approval under LRS scheme, did Mr. X contravene $2,50,000 FEMA rule? If yes, the penalty. Yes, and the penalty up to 3 times the sum involved in contravention, where such amount is up to 2 lakh, or penalty 2 lakh. Donation of rupees 10 lakh by a person working abroad from his own personal saving to his college in India in which he has studied in the college alumni. If he has Indian resident, Indian citizenship, non-resident, NRI, then not considered as FC, otherwise treated FC. If he has Indian citizenship, non-resident India, then not considered as FC, otherwise treated as FC. Estimated foreign education fee है हम $2 lakh. Sent for personal expense, that is 60,000. Need to cut this under the limit under FEMA 1999 under Schedule 3. Invalid as a limit under Schedule 3. Schedule 3 under LRS is 2,50,000, and hence contravention of act and penalty will be 2 lakh. Mr. Narayan, residing in Australia, want to purchase a duplex house in India and transfer the required amount to partnership firm to facilitate the purchase. Mr. Narayan must obtain the prior approval from the Reserve Bank of India for transferring the funds to a partnership firm. उसके बाद आ रहा है हमारा, that will be Mr. X, a known resident residing in America, purchased property in America. He has now come to India and he wants to settle here. He intends to sell the property in America and invest the proceeds in foreign security. Mr. X must obtain permission from the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) for repatriating the sale proceeds and investing in foreign securities. फिर उसके बाद हम बात कर रहे हैं कि जोन जो है, एक फॉरेन नेशनल has come to India on a work visa for a job with a multinational company. He earns a monthly salary of USD 3,000 during his stay. John wishes to remit a portion of his earning back to his home country to support his family. He wants to ensure that the remittance does not exceed the regulatory requirements limits set by the Foreign Exchange Management Act (FEMA) without requiring the special permission. For the purpose of this study, exchange rate is 1 USD is 81.6. John to remit his salary without requiring a special permission, the maximum amount is set, that is rupees 2,44,000. And since 243,990 is slightly below the limit of 244, John can remit his entire monthly salary 3,000 without requiring the special permission from the authority. हमें क्या करना है, 3,000 को मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए आप 81.3333, तो this will come 2,43,999। तो ये जो लिमिट है वो 244 से कम है, तो वो ऐसा कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद आता है हमारा, that will be ODI investment in a company in which engage in selling and leasing of residential and commercial properties, option ODI and none। इसका आंसर क्या है, बट पता नहीं, आंसर नहीं दिया। ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन बी, ऑप्शन सी। ODI can be made by PRI in such company engaged in real estate activity after approval from central government. ODI investment in company which is engaged in selling and leasing of residential and commercial property. ODI can be made by PRA in such a company engaged in real estate activity after approval from central government. Can't be made as such companies engaged in leasing of commercial property which is the real estate activity. Can't be made as such companies engaged in real estate activity and selling of residential houses in the real estate activity. उसके बाद आता है हमारा IBC के क्वेश्चन, देयर आर अराउंड 20 एंड वी विल बी डन विद इट। तो सिर्फ यही पढ़ना है हमें, उसके बाद हमारा एंटायर PDF हो जाएगा, क्योंकि जहां से हमने स्टार्ट किया था ऑलरेडी उससे पहले वाला तो डिस्कस कर रखा है, तो ये हो जाएगा। तो वी शुड नॉट गिव अप एट दिस मोमेंट, एज वेल एज हमारे कल ही एग्जाम है, तो हाउ कैन वी गिव अप, राइट। तो हम पढ़ रहे हैं इंसॉल्वेंसी, बैंक्रप्सी, कोर्ट। IBC तो बहुत अच्छा है। In how many days public notice to be given after appointment of the insolvent resolution professional? That will be the 3 days. In how many days public notice to be given after the appointment? IRP का appointment के बाद क्या कितने दिन का notice and all? That is 3 days. Conduct of COC meeting within 7 days of constitution. Time limit to file appeal against the order of ED will be the 30 days. In how many days NCLT accept the admission of application will be 14 days. Approval or disapproval communication by NCLT in 7 days. IRP name to be proposed to NCLT. Deemed approval will be considered if insolvency board जो भी है IBBI don't respond in 10 days. In case of the replacement of an interim resolution professional IRP, if the approval of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India is not received within the stipulated time, what should be the next course of action? The existing IRP shall continue to function until such approval is received. So existing IRP जो है वो continue करेगा function until such approval is received. Quorum of COC के quorum के लिए कितना चाहिए होता है? 33% of voting right. Eligibility of IRP क्या होता है? Same as independent director. टाइम लिमिट फॉर कंप्लीशन ऑफ CIRP की जो कंप्लीशन प्रोसेस उसमें कितना होता है? विद इन 180 डेज हो जाना चाहिए आफ्टर पासिंग रेजोल्यूशन। और 66% का वोटिंग राइट चाहिए होता है। अगर एक्सटेंशन करना है 90 डेज में भी अलाउ बाय द एडजुडिकेटिंग जो भी है AA मैंडेटरी कंप्लीट हो जाना चाहिए 330 डेज। इन हाउ मेनी डेज CD शैल ब्रिंग इन नोटिस एंड डिस्प्यूट आफ्टर OC डिलीवर डिमांड नोटिस? दैट विल बी दी 10 days. If operational creditors send demand notice to corporate debtor, then they don't reply, what is to be done? Proceed with application to NCLT. COC decision taken by what? Not less than 51% of the voting share of FC. COC decision जो है वो लिया जा सकता है, that the same is not less than 51% of voting share of the financial creditor. Notice period of meeting of COC within the 5 days. कंपोजिशन ऑफ कमिटी ऑफ क्रेडिटर, ऑल फाइनेंशियल क्रेडिटर आता है। इन केस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल क्रेडिटर अगर नहीं होते देन 18 लार्जेस्ट OC 1 रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ईच वर्कमैन एंड एम्प्लॉय। बट पहले हम प्रायोरिटी फाइनेंशियल क्रेडिटर को देते हैं। इन केस अगर वो नहीं है तो 18 लार्जेस्ट ऑपरेशनल क्रेडिटर 1 रिप्रेजेंटेटिव वर्कमैन एंड एम्प्लॉय। वेदर डेट ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ एप्लीकेशन बाय NCLT इज इक्वल टू डेट ऑफ इंसॉल्वेंसी कमेंसमेंट डेट? द आंसर इज यस। परसेंटेज वोटिंग रिक्वायर्ड फॉर विड्रॉल ऑफ एप्लीकेशन विल बी, अगर विड्रॉल करनी दैट विल बी 90%. Percentage voting for appointment of IRPS RP, that will be 66%. How many percentage voting required to replace the RP? That will be 66%. Withdrawal के लिए 90%. Voting for appointment of IRP को ही IRP जो इंसॉल्वेंट रेजोल्यूशन प्रोफेशनल को ही वो RP अपॉइंट करना है तो 66%. हाउ मेनी परसेंटेज रिक्वायर्ड टू रिप्लेस करना है RP को? तो 66%. On CIRP initiated by FC tribunal to ascertain the existence of default in how many days? That will be in 14 days. There was a related party amongst the financial creditor. Whether the related party is entitled to vote in a meeting of COC? No. Right to participate or vote in a COC meeting. GHI Limited is undergoing insolvency proceedings and a resolution professional need to be appointed. Who appoint the resolution professional in an insolvency case? That will be the committee of creditor. That will be the COC. JKL Limited has filed an insolvency application due to unpaid operational debt owed to various suppliers and service providers. Which of the following qualifies as operational debt under IBC? That will be amount owed for supply of goods and service. Who is the corporate debtor and operational debtor? Who is the corporate? कौन corporate debtor and operational debtor होगा? Identify based on given CS. Whose name shall be furnished with the application before the adjudicating authority by financial creditor that will be insolvent, IRP, insolvency resolution professional. Whose name shall be furnished with the application before the adjudicating authority by financial creditor that will be the IRP. What all to be included in the application to tribunal by financial creditor? Record or evidence of default, name of proposed IRP, other information as specified. Is a foreign creditor required to submit a certificate from institution to file the application to NCLT? The answer is no. क्या foreign creditor required to submit certificate from institution to file application to NCLT? The answer is no. With this, we have covered everything of the 18 pages जो PDF है which is provided by the CA शुभम सिंगल सर. We have covered each and every question. और कुछ क्वेश्चन जो नहीं आते हमने इसको स्किप करके मूव ऑन कर दिए. The entire video is divided into two parts. ये एक पीछे वाली वीडियो से पहले एक ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड है, तो मेक श्योर दैट वी हैव वॉच एवरीथिंग एंड वी नीड टू रिटेन इट as much. This is compiled by विकल्प गुप्ता सर. एक्चुअली आई डोंट नो किसकी है ये, बट दिस थिंग इज ये वही पेजेस वाली है जो कि हम पढ़ रहे थे. This is by this is not by CA शुभम सिंगल सर, this is by somebody else जो भी है, but we have resources. अच्छा किसी और ने कंपाइल की थी जो भी है, but the thing is this is the very important one PDF and we have read everything for our tomorrow exams from this particular PDF. All right, later we will discuss from the Hemant Somani sir PDF.